So let's say we had 4 minus 2x equals 4x plus 22. Okay. Let's say this was the equation. Now, first of all the x's on the same side or the opposite side, Riddick?
No, there's not. It's righter, probably.
Righter. Dang it. Righter. Sorry, Righter. You're good. Are the variables on the same side of the equation or are they on opposite sides of the equation?
Opposite.
Opposite sides. So this case I should add or subtract, right, to get rid of them. Now, which one is further to the left on the number line? This slogan right here. Which one's further to the left on the number line? The negative 2x or the positive 4x?
Negative 2x.
So that's the one I want to get rid of. It'll keep things positive if you do that. Always pick out whichever one's further to the left on the number line and get rid of that one. So Canyon, how do I get rid of minus 2x?
Plus it.
Good. I'm going to add 2x. I do that to both sides of the equation. This is still keeping it equal. If these were on the same side, I couldn't do that, right? But because they're on opposite sides, I can, and it'll make things easier for me. So I'm going to add it. I end up with 4 equals how many x then?
6.
6x, very good, plus 22. Okay? All right. Dakota, what should I do next?
Minus 4 to, no.
I can do that, but it's not going to help me. If I minus 4, I'm going to end up with a 0 equals 6x plus 18, right? But that's not going to help me. It's not going to get my x closer to being by itself. What's on the same side of the equation as the x? The 6 and the what? 22. Those are the things I need to get rid of. So which one should I get rid of first, Dakota? 22. I want to subtract the 22. Now this will make that negative, but that's okay. Negative 18 equals 6x. That's okay though, that side is negative. Because my x is still positive. Like Logan said, it's always nice to have the x being positive. So then what should I do next?
Divide by 6.
Divide by 6. And x is negative what?
4.
3. Doesn't it go in 3 times?
Yeah.
6 times 3, 18. Okay. So negative 3. That's my answer. Is that okay to have an answer that is negative? Yeah. What does it mean? It means the only value of x that would make this statement true, that will make this side equal to this side, is if x was negative 3. Let's plug it in and show that. If I put in a negative 3 here, what's negative 2 times negative 3? Plus 6, right? What's 4 plus 6? 10. That's the left side. Plug in negative 3 on the right side. That's negative 12. Negative 12 plus 22 is 10. There is no other number you could pick for x that would make that equation true. That's why we solve equations. Because we're trying to figure out what's the only value that will make that true. Okay? What's the only value that would make that true? Okay, let's try one more here. Before we go on. Let's say we had 3x plus 5x minus 17 plus 21 equals 4 times x